in here. So y'all know, we good. Now we can add the TV. So what's going down? Welcome back to the Marley Show. Today we're gonna be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be building, as y'all know from previous, I'll be always talking about it. I like building, that's something I like to do. So I'm gonna walk y'all through me transforming my new home. As you know from the tour, if you haven't watched the tour, make sure you check out the tour. I'll leave that link below. But they came with TV mounts already. They came with like this one, but I didn't like it for my TV. It doesn't let me turn my TV 360, like the TV gotta stay right there. And the mount that I had previously, which is right here, it lets me move the TV whichever way I want to, and it's more durable, like it's just way, way more durable. So what we're gonna do today is we gotta transfer the TV. So the mount before is tricky. I could have already had the holes in the wall like they have four right here, but the new mount doesn't match these four. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna try to shift it. I'm gonna find the studs. If I'm gonna just break down what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna find the studs. Once I find the studs, then I can drill in the TV mount, make sure it's level, and then I can hang my TV. It's pretty simple hanging the TV. Some people think it's hard, but it's actually really, really easy. All you really need is, a drill, your little stud finder. Everything else comes simple. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna try to find another stud from the opposite direction. So this is my little stud finder right here. Quite simple to do. All you do is place it on the wall. Right here is the start of the stud. As you keep going, it'll show you the end of the stud. So what you want to do is you want to find the middle. So you come in, this is the start. This is the end. So our middle will be right here. So I'll just mark it up for you right there. I'll show you guys this. So I have the stud right here. Now the next step for me, what I'm gonna do is, like I told y'all before, I kind of had to cheat because it's already a hole. I'll show y'all like the holes automatically. Hold on just 1 second. So this is where the previous 4 holes was, right here. But my TV mount stopped like right here. So it's no more studs this close. And I want to find a stud. I don't want to use like a wall mount little anchor. So what I did is I just went to this side, and this stud right here to this stud is long enough for my new TV mount. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw it in here first. I'm gonna level it out, and then we're gonna work like that. So I'm gonna show you guys me doing that right here. So I'm gonna get my drill plugged in. Let me get my drill plugged in. I got a basic drill, Black & Decker. I need to get a new drill. I've been saying that for a while, but I've been downplaying it. So you do your drill, plug that in. Then we got our screws right here. These gonna be my screws right here. So we're gonna do that. Let me back you guys up some so y'all can get everything that's going down. That should be fine right there. So we're gonna do that. Move my tools over some. And then I have my little, for my bolts, since it's not Phillips or flathead, I had to buy bolts just to figure out which one will fit snug over this bolt. That one's too small. All right, this one is just perfect. So this is gonna give me what I need. This is a little special tool that I got for the drill. You can get it at Home Depot. I think it was for like $3. Basically, you put this in on your drill, and you can put any bolt on the end of it so you can use it as a drill. Or, you can keep it simple and just wrench it out. So I'm gonna start here, and then I'm gonna wrench it at the end. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab this, grab my drill, and then I'm gonna grab the wall mount. I'm gonna go here. If you got help, it'll make it a lot easier, but if you don't, I'm gonna let you know that you can do it with no help. I'm gonna show you that you can. So we're gonna get it in. Make sure it's going in. A little bit strong. Okay, so we have that. Now we gotta do a pre-hole for this next one. So I'm gonna get my little pre-hole bit. That way it goes in smooth, it doesn't strip the bolt. Cause if not, most likely the bolt will strip. So I'm gonna get my little, dang, it's been tricky. Come on. Oh, no way. I'm gonna get my drill bit. Just 1 second. Drill that in. But I also have my leveler. So when you're doing this one, you want to have your leveler because you want to make sure it's level. Your TV not gonna be sloppy. So what I'm gonna do here is, and this is a pretty neat leveler too because it got a magnet on the inside. So just stick it on top of, hold on, let me make sure. All right, this is it. So you're just gonna stick it on top. You're gonna bring it up. You wanna make sure it's level. All right, so right there, we are level. All right, we're level right there. Let me go ahead and, so the stud will be, all right. So I'm gonna move this one down. Just a tad. Okay. Then I can do my drill. You'll know when you're hitting the stud. You'll know when you're hitting the stud because you'll see like the brown. If you don't hit a stud, you'll usually pop in quick and you only see the white. But you know you're hitting the stud when you see, like, you know, the wood is brown. You'll start seeing brown stuff coming out. That's when you know you hit the stud. So then all we're gonna do now, we're just gonna rotate the bits again, put the bolt back on, and then we're gonna drill this one in. Give me a second. I like to step back and check it out. It's crazy because it looks, on the camera you might see it too, it looks crooked, but what's wrong is this box right here is crooked. Like it's slanted up. So it looks weird, but it's not, I promise. So as I said, I'll put the leveler back on there. The leveler is also saying we might have to go up a little. I was right. Now, hold on. I gotta take this back out. We're gonna take this out. Now you gotta rotate. You gotta rotate these out. Just a second. All right, so right here, I wonder why. Good drill. All right, now I'm gonna try this again. Tip number 2. I'm putting all these holes in the wall, but it's all right. I know how to patch them back up. And I'm gonna be here for a while, so we'll worry about that when the day comes. All right, I'm gonna put this on, back on again. So we're gonna be at this one. All right, boom. There we go. Now that look a whole lot better. Let me bring y'all in so y'all know that it's straight. Give me 1 second. So as you can see, you see the blue dot right there in between. Perfect. So that's good right there. Now all I have to do is I have to do the bottom two. So it's going to suck, like I said, just because there's holes in the wall, but we deal with that problem another day. So we're going to come here. I wanted to try to be as straight as possible, but it's hard just because of the angle. So we can be able to get it. That's the best that we'll be able to get it. And then we're gonna do the bottom two. So that's the same thing. Putting the holes in the wall again. So I'll start on this side. On your stud. The bottom is always better than the top. Just because you already got your studs. So put it on here too, make sure everything is good. All right. I wish I had one of them little air blowers. That'd make it a whole lot smoother. Switch it back over. Get your last 2 bolts. That one in. And then for me, I like to just come behind and twerk it with my own wrench, just so I know it's tight. Because the last thing you want to do is have this thing falling off your TV. I mean, falling off your wall. That's the last thing. That's good. That's good. That one's tight. Oh, I hate when that happens. So this is another problem that you might get if your nail break off in the hole. That's another problem. So what we're gonna do here is simple. I'm just gonna make a hole right next to it. I'll show you right here. So we know our stud is right there, so the stud is not too far off. Drill another hole. Get these back in. Pop these on. These is the screw ones, so we can screw these ones in. Let me get my screw. Screw bit. Screw this one. regular trigger. So we come here and we just tighten it up. Tighten it up. Tight. I might actually have a bolt that can go on that size. Let me see. I actually can't. That's strange. You would think all bolt. But I think this one just has too many sides on it. So that's that. Pop this one in. So we're good on that end. Everybody wants to do the tester. It's a little low to the ground, so, but this is the tester. I'm gonna do this one again as well. As you can see, this one popped out also. So, come here, just switch it out. The screws is like super weak. It's on me because I got the weak screws, but you know, you can always fix your problem. Here we go. Switch out. Screw. Alright, that's that one. We here. So y'all know we good. Now we can add the TV. Big TV. Hold on. So the TV, I don't know if I can get it by myself, but we are gonna try. Just so I can show you guys it's possible. Hold on just a second. No. We just want to get these on the hooks. That's the first one. That is the second one. Now we're gonna, if you've done these before, you know you gotta screw it in the back. Just a second. Check it out. All right, give me a second. We're gonna do one more thing before, give me 1 second. I'm gonna move this over. Let me try to get it. I'm gonna move this side. So I'm gonna have to unloosen it. Give me a second. It goes in there to the top. That meant to work real fast. Loosen a little bit more. Alright, now we should be good. Turn them back up. Make sure we tight. Crank these back in. Oh, I know this one ain't pop. This one popped too. These low screws gotta be the worst screws. Good thing I caught it while I did. So we're just gonna do another screw just like before. I'm low-key thinking about just transferring them all out, but we'll give it some time. Put that in, grab your screw. That's good money. All right, so this is the farthest it's gonna let me take it. Yeah, this feels way tighter too, so go back. And I also don't like, I wanna make one more change because I also don't like how this is coming up. I want it to be more straight. Give me 1 second, gonna go grab a tool. 1 second. I want to fix the tilt on it, so I went and got the drivers. Hold on. Make sure. Let's do this one. Let me see. Straighten this in. Clean it back up. All right, we good now. Put it back down, put it on there. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. I like that way, way better. Now you gotta screw on the bottom. That's alright. Let me check it out. Alright, we back. The TV is up, as you can see. You already know what y'all should be watching, MarleyShow. But if y'all made it this far, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Let me know if y'all like my building videos, because I'll throw out a whole lot more. But until next time, peace.